Good morning, everybody. Dear students, the previous class we have discussed the examples of articles. Fill in the blanks, use suitable articles. Isn't it? So today, as this, I am going to teach you the examples of articles. Okay, fill in the blanks, use suitable articles. Okay, continuation of the numbers. 21. Dash sky is endless empty space. Dash sky is endless empty space. Sky. Look at the noun or word sky. Sky is universal truth. That's why we use the article. Okay, the sky. The sky is endless empty space. Okay. 22. I want to meet you in dash afternoon. I want to meet you in dash afternoon. Afternoon, this is the part of the day. Before the part of the day, we use the article. Okay, the afternoon. 23. I was wounded in a dash leg. Parts of the body, we must use the article before the parts of the body. Name of the means the part of the body is we use the article. Okay. The leg. Next, he was dash first in the class. He was dash first in the class. So here first, before the names of ordinal numbers, we use the article. Okay, the first. Okay, I was the first in the class. First, second, and third. We use the article. I was first, the first in the class. Next one, Ram can play dash guitar. Ram can play dash guitar. Guitar is a musical instrument. Before the names of musical instruments, we use the article. Already you know that. The guitar. Guitar, tabla, piano, harmonium. Okay, we use the article. Next, he is a dash engineer. He is a dash engineer. E is a vowel. Already you know that. A-E-I-O-U. Okay, we use an article before the word beginning with the vowel letters or vowel sound. We use an article. Already you know that the rules. Okay, E is a vowel. That's why we use an article. Okay, an engineer. He is an engineer. Next one, he is a dash university student. Look at the university. U is a vowel. Okay, this U is a vowel. This vowel letter produces sound of consonant. Okay, U. Okay, Y is a consonant. That's why we use a article. A university student. He is a university student. Okay, don't use an article. Why? U is a vowel, but this U letter produces sound of consonant. That's why we use a article. Okay, 28. I have dash 1 rupee note. I have dash 1 rupee note. O is a vowel, but this vowel letter produces sound of consonant. That is the W1. So that's why we use the article. I have 1 rupee note. Next one. Harishchandra was a dash honest king. Look at the honest. H. This is a consonant. But this H letter produces sound of vowel. That is the O. Harishchandra was honest king. Okay, so this consonant letter produces sound of vowel. That's why we use an article. Next, he returned after dash hour. Hour. This is also consonant. This consonant letter produces sound of vowel. Or H is a silent. Okay, hour. An hour. He returned after an hour. Okay. Next, number 31. He is a dash oldest member of the club. He is a dash oldest member of the club. Okay. So this is the superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we use the article. In the superlative degree, we use the article. So that's why we use here the. He is the oldest member of the club. Next, 32. He is a dash teacher, a teacher. Yeah. Why? He is also consonant. Okay, so that's why we use don't use an or the. I saw dash eagle at the zoo. I saw dash eagle at the zoo. Okay, e is a vowel. That's why we use an article. I saw an eagle at the zoo. Next one, he is a dash excellent teacher. Excellent. Look at the first letter. First letter is a vowel. That's why we use an article. He is a vowel. Okay. We have to use here an article. He is an excellent teacher. Next, I have a cat. Dash cat is a black. Look at the here. There are two sentences here. Okay. I have a cat. This is one sentence. Dash cat is black. So here, the first letter, first sentence we use the noun. The same noun repeated in the next sentence. Okay, that is the name of the animal, cat. So we must use the article in the next sentence, second one sentence. I have a cat. The cat means this cat. The cat is black. We talk about the particular cat, so that's why we use the article. Next one, I bought dash umbrella to go out in the rain. I bought dash umbrella to go out in the rain. Okay, I bought dash umbrella. U, look at here. First letter U. U is a vowel. Okay, before the vowel we use an article. An umbrella. Okay, I would like dash piece of cake. I would like a piece. We use a article. I would like a piece of cake. Next one. I play a tabla. I can play or I play. Okay. I play dash tabla. Tabla is a musical instrument. Before the names of musical instrument, we must use the article. Okay. Here the tabla. Okay. I play the tabla. Next one, he is a dash ugly man. Okay, he is a dash ugly man. Look at the word or ugly. U is a vowel. Before the vowel, we use the article. Okay, an ugly man. Last one, they finished dash unit. They finished dash unit. Look at the word unit. U is a vowel. But we use an article here? No. We use a article. Why? U is a vowel, but this U letter produces sound of consonant. That is why? Unit. So that's why we have to use here a article. Okay. They finished a unit. So these are examples of the articles. Okay. Next class we will discuss next topic.